I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming firmware and synapse are current. This eliminates software mismatch. Next, plug the Kraken into a different USB port. Use a rear port on desktop or a powered hub if available, because ports vary in power and polling. While connected, open Device Manager and look for yellow flags. If you see one, right-click and update or reinstall the driver. Also inspect the cable and connector physically. A hairline break or bent pin explains intermittent disconnects. Once done with ports, disable USB selective suspend and power options so Windows won't power down the headset mid-use. This resolves many random drops. Then fully uninstall Razer audio drivers and Synapse, reboot, and install the latest Synapse Clean package. This clears driver corruption. Make sure Synapse has exclusive device control or correct audio profile assigned. When profiles conflict, the headset can disconnect. While reinstalling, watch for firmware prompts and let them finish uninterrupted, because incomplete flashes cause instability. You finish by stress testing. Play continuous audio or a voice call for 15 to 30 minutes and watch for drops. This verifies stability under load. If the problem persists, test the Kraken on another computer or mobile device to isolate whether it's the headset hardware or your system setup. Hardware failures show up across multiple hosts. If it still disconnects and you see errors, collect Synapse logs and the headset serial number. Then contact Razer support. That single troubleshooting tip cuts through prolonged guesswork.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.